Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you are in a good shape in the middle of this pandemic crisis. I'm Febrianadi, welcome back. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of edit. So this is rotating final disc edit. It's great for you to share your favorite music or if you just want to post something that matches your mood. It also have audio spectrum, so if you guys are interested, make sure you follow all the steps till the end of the video. So without the further ado, let's just dive in with you. First step is open up the link in the description box below and download all the 3 files. I made it for you guys so you can download it for free. Then go to Google, download the music that you want to use, and don't forget also download the album art. In this case, I'm just gonna use some random non-copyright music and my own image. Also, don't forget to download some green screen image. I'll explain later for that. The second step is to download your Audiovision app. You can download it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open, then select your music. Go to the top right corner and change your background with the green screen image that you've downloaded. You can select or customize your audio spectrum that suits your liking through this customize button, starting from the sensitivity, bar width, border, set fill, color, and etc. You can swipe left or right to choose the audio spectrum that suits your liking, but in this case I'm just gonna use the basic black bar. And then what you're gonna do is screen record the audio spectrum. Choose the 1 minute part of the song that you wanna post. Once you've done recording the audio spectrum, open the KineMaster app. Create a new project. Choose the 9:16 story dimension. Open the background image that you downloaded with the black border like this and stretch it to about 59 second mark. Like so. And then what you want to do is add a layer of your album art image. To layer, media, and then choose the image. then stretch the image to match the clip. Once you've done that, add another layer. This time the album cover. Oops. And then add the vinyl disc layer. Resize and so it fits the album size. Place it inside the album, like so. Stretch the clip. Then what you want to do is click this and send to back. Click again till it hides. Oops. Like so. Then what you're gonna do is add some animation or movement to it by making these marks or keyframe. Go about 1 second. Add a keyframe, tapping this, then move it to the right so it pops out from the album, like so. Then what you're gonna do is go to the middle of the clip. Then what you're gonna do is rotate the image halfway, like so. Then you go till the end of the clip. Add another keyframe, then rotate it again. After you done that, click OK. And here we can see the animation if it goes smooth or not. Yeah, it looks good. Once you done that, add the audio layers by clicking the layer media, then pick the audio spectrum that you've recorded. You want to crop this to fit the size, like so. Place it to somewhere that you like. I'm choosing this bottom part of the disc. Then you wanna go to chroma key, then click enable. This will hide the green screen image. Just gonna tidy things up. After that, you add the audio. This is the music that you recorded in Audio Spectrum before. So what you're gonna do here is match the audio spectrum with the original music file. So you have to sync it properly. I recommend using a headphone so you can hear it better. Reduce this volume a bit so you can hear the difference between the audio spectrum and the original music file. Finish the syncing. You can save or add another design element such as text. Once you've done exporting the video, you can upload it on your IG feeds. The reason why we select the 9:16 story dimension is if you want to post this video in 5:4 dimension, the KineMaster watermark on top right corner will be cropped automatically. So you can make this edit even with the KineMaster free version. There you have it. If you like this kind of tutorial on photography or content creating, please consider subscribe to help me grow the channel. Also, share to your fellow creators and comment if you have any question or thoughts. Thank you, stay safe and healthy, don't forget to wash your hand and see you soon on the next video.